Well, hello everyone. How is it going? And welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Well, in today's video, we are actually discussing new apps, new rideshare apps that have recently launched, and they're taking over Uber and Lyft. There was a brand new article that just came out because of the amount of complaints that Uber and Lyft drivers have. There are now solutions that other companies are providing, which we're gonna talk about today, and potentially huge new earning opportunity for you. So before I get started, I wanna thank our sponsor, Solo. So Solo is the business app for drivers, and they have an awesome opportunity for you to firstly get $15 when you use our link to sign up completely for free. They're trying to get a lot of users now, anywhere in the nation, completely free to sign up. You can sign up, get access to any of their features for free. They also have this other feature called guaranteed pay, which you should definitely look into, where essentially if you sign up for one of these shifts, $38 in 1 hour, 37 bucks for Uber. A lot of drivers are making, you know, sign up for 6 scheduled hours, 274 bucks. That's 100,000 bucks a year. That's incredible. Come on, right? Let's pull out the handy dandy calculator right now. If you make 274 bucks times 365 every single day for 6 hours, you're making 100,000 bucks a year. Solo's basically helping people become millionaires. So sign up for Solo with our link down below. And again, you can sign up completely for free anywhere in the nation, and they're gonna send you $15 just for signing up. So look at this article. Uber and Lyft drivers' complaints are a startup opportunity. A number of upstart ride-hailing apps are taking on Uber and Lyft with the promise of treating drivers better. Among them are Dallas-based Alto, which hires drivers as employees and gives annual compensation. Empower is another one, based in McLean, Virginia, and Rids in Austin, Texas. Gives 100% of cab fares to the drivers. There you have it, my friends. 100% of the fares. What's Uber and Lyft take? Sometimes 30, sometimes 40, sometimes 50, 60, 70, 80% of the ride. You know, they say, oh, on average it's 20%, but we all know that's complete BS. The Drivers Cooperative in New York promises a share in the profits. How amazing is that? Drivers for Uber and Lyft have long complained about issues from platform charges to employment status as quarantines decimated demand for rides. Many drivers quit and found employment benefits outpace wages from driving. Some shifted into food and grocery delivery, while others sought full-time work. This shift in the power dynamics between drivers and the app saw the tech giants paying millions in bonuses to lure them back. The new startups can tap into that dissatisfaction. But to win market share, they must confront the efficiency which Uber and Lyft match riders with drivers and the massive scale of those companies. The incumbents have reported progress in luring and retaining drivers, raising pressure on new entrants to ensure they can compete. A lot of drivers don't feel that they are paid enough. What about you? Do you think drivers are paid enough right now? That the commission is too high? What do you think? Is the commission too high, or is it not high enough? That the companies don't care about them? What do you think? Do you think Uber and Lyft cares about you? Probably not. And so you can imagine for new rideshare companies, it's kind of easy, said Harry Campbell. Wow, Harry Campbell's in this one. Why did they interview me? Probably because I'm a little wacky and goofy. The really hard part is the customers. There's a reason why no one has really come close to unseating Uber and Lyft. Uber and Lyft regard drivers as independent contractor. Uber takes almost 27% in commission. Lyft takes a commission but doesn't disclose its share. This contractor model means drivers don't get the security of a minimum wage, insurance, overtime pay, or other benefits. Do you think drivers deserve that? Which, by the way, if you do want a guaranteed wage, sign up for Solo, link below, get your $15, and you could get guaranteed pay when you do this. If you go out and drive, right, my friends, for Uber, on this hour, and you only make 21 bucks, they're gonna pay you $16. So you guaranteed that rate with Solo, link below. Alto owns and manages its fleet of luxury cars and gives drivers hourly rates along with benefits like healthcare. CEO Will Coleman said the company also looks for drivers from big employers like Amazon and charges riders a bit more than a regular Uber through less than the premium level Uber Black. So they can charge more because they are luxury cars. You're not hopping in and it's, you know, it's 2009 Hyundai Accent that's had 250,000 miles on it. The car's about to break down. They're using high-end cars. Empower got started the same year. It charges $250 a month in Washington. Wow, so they have a monthly fee. I always wondered why they didn't charge more like of a monthly fee. We just have to find drivers who are Uber and Lyft drivers who for the most part hate Uber and Lyft. It suggests that they could work for themselves, make more money, be the actual customer, and be listened and heard. Empower. Yeah, how about this, Josh Sear? If you're watching this, come on the show. We'll interview you, we'll promote your product completely for free. Well, I take that back, not for free. We'll do the first interview for free, and then we'll promote you on the channel for a lovely price. Joshua Sear, founder and CEO. You need a profile picture, buddy. Come on. You're the CEO and you're the face of the company, and this is the face? Come on, Joshua Sear. I gotta help you out with your LinkedIn. Disrupting, is this him? No, that's not even him. Maybe that is him. That's a great photo, bro. Make that your profile picture for LinkedIn. He has an economics degree, law school. Wow, this guy's smart. Okay, so the driver's cooperative based in Long Island City is a worker-owned take on rideshare. It takes 15% commission on each trip and guarantees drivers at least $30 an hour. Wow, the driver's cooperative. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of competitors. And actually, if you go to Crunchbase and type in Alto, this company actually has, $59 million in funding, which is, they already have their Series B, which they got their Series A in 2019, Series B in 2021. It's almost 2023. Let's see if they raise their Series C. $45 million is no joke, my friends. They could be taken over. So anyways, there's the video, my friends. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you would drive for any of these other apps, or if you like Uber and Lyft, maybe you don't need to drive for one of these apps. And please check out Solo with the link down below. Get your $15 just for signing up completely for free. Everybody watching this video should go do it immediately. Get your 15 bucks. And they have automated mileage tracking, federal tax projections. I mean, this is no joke. So check out Solo. Thanks for watching, guys. And this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Bye now.